I bought more knives. Yeah, I did. I needed some stuff on Amazon, and Amazon was like, hey, we've seen that you looked at knives before. Do you like this knife? And I was like, well, yes, I do like that knife. So, yeah, they suckered me into buying some more stuff. So I've got 3, actually, that I'm going to do in this video, and then 1 for another video. First one, I guess I'll show you them all together first. It's a set of 3 Spyderco. Spyderco? Spyderco? Yes, Spyderco. Spyderco, Spyderco. And, well, I just really love, oh man, the sun. Really, really love tiny things. So this is pretty cool. And it's incredibly sharp. Okay, so that one is, they actually have names, but I threw out the freaking, hold on, let me check my email. Yeah, okay. So the smallest one is called the Bug. This one, the medium one, also incredibly sharp, is called the HoneyBee. And the largest one is called the Grasshopper. Grasshopper. I don't know why I'm doing this. Wow, okay, that looks really bad. Looks good from the front, looks horrible from the back. So, okay, the Grasshopper is also incredibly sharp. You can't really see it because the freaking damn sun is so, but it's a spider. Yeah, there you go. It's a spider logo. Okay, so Bug, HoneyBee. You know, it doesn't make sense because, at least in the United States, we say bug for just about any kind of insect. But anyway, Bug, HoneyBee, and Grasshopper. Okay, so see you next time.